Hey everyone, thank you so much for watching this. This is the 251 US dollar that I have earned, just a fixed amount. You can earn money on this, you can see earn 4.8% on USD. Let me show you how much I have made, on daily basis. Okay, so see all, you can check 200 US dollar, 138 US dollar, 51 US dollar, 50 US dollar, 60 US dollar. This is the daily earning, Isn't it amazing? You can even earn this amount on daily basis, even if you have $1,000, $500 if you take in this app. So let me show you how basically this, app works. Where does this money comes from? So when I go to learn more, okay, there are three ways. If you take money, you get your interest, 4.8% variable interest, stocks, 12.18% annual growth till 2012, and the cash. Three things. There's a link in the below I've given. Check out, and you can register yourself as well for this, and make money on every day.